about a low key gem airdrop that have been paying people and it will still continue to pay people. This particular project is what you should be talking about, called the World Republic Token. Yes, and as at the last time, I think the last time I did a video, I did how you could get started and how you could do your KYC, because without you doing your KYC, you'll be able to mine, as you can see currently right here. And as at the last time, I've been able to start mining, and this is the amount of that particular token, and I've been able to gather. And if I come to my referral section here, let's tap on it. I have 6 referrals, which actually has given me 60 of the particular token. That means how you'll be able to get a chunk of more of this particular token is through referral, meaning they'll be giving you one per referral. And if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe. Click on the bell notification so I get notified anytime we upload any other new video. And if you want to join our WhatsApp platform, where you'll be able to get detailed information about a lot of cryptocurrency projects, I'll be dropping the link in the description and also in the comment section of this particular video. So let's talk about particular token. This particular token I've been trading. I will actually check the price of what this particular amount of 70 I have. It actually wants it. And never forget that this particular airdrop, you need to come just once in a day, every 24 hours, to just come and claim your token. So let's go to let's go. You can see currently now that this particular token, this is the token, and as you can see now that the price of this particular token, this is the price now. The price is around 0.0035. Yes, and in this particular video, I'll be sharing with you how you'll be able to add this particular WDD token to your Trust wallet. It is actually trading now. I still have little amount, and that is why I'm not currently actually trying to trade to show to my community, members. So when you come to this particular website where they are actually listed, let me click on their contract address, so that let me tap on it. This is the one for their contract address. Let me link it with my Trust wallet. I've actually copied it. I've copied it. So let me now go to my Trust wallet so that I'll be able to add it. Yes, this is my Trust wallet. Let me go in with my PIN. Let me go in with my PIN. Yes, I'm now in on Trust wallet. So what I will have to do now, I have to add it as a cryptocurrency. So I'll tap on that circular search icon. It is actually on BNB. Let me go back. It is on BNB. Let me go back to the aspect where I'll be able to add crypto. Let me tap on all. Let me scroll down. I have so this is where we tap on manage crypto. Tap on this plus icon here. You see now this one that is on Ethereum. We'll remove it from Ethereum. We'll take it to BNB. Then let me paste the address. I've pasted it. You see it has brought everything, including the symbol. I'll be dropping the WDD address in the description and also in the comment of this part, so I could add it. So this is added now in my Trust wallet. Let's go. If I'm able to go back, you could see now the token. Now you could see WDD Smart. So let's say I want to send now. I'm not sending because I'll also be doing the trade on. Now you'll be able to trade it on your Trust wallet and also in the internal face here on this particular project, because you could see this is my wallet now. You could see this particular icon now showing. You could see the deposit section is showing and withdrawal section. If I want to withdraw, it's just for me to just tap on this particular aspect called withdrawal. I go to my Trust wallet, copy, paste everything there, then I'll be able to withdraw. Let me even just complete the section. Let me log in so that I could just do everything, so that in case anybody that wants to do it can actually easily do whatever thing that they want to do. I'll just be withdrawing. Let me say let me just withdraw 5. Then you tap on receive here. Copied it. I've copied it. Let me paste it there. Let's look on network. Yes, is on base. Yes, the amount, let me say just 5. Let me say 5. Okay, they say the minimum is 10. So this is just how to withdraw it. I don't want to withdraw much amount, so you just put the amount. You could see here that it was said here. And let me still put it so that you'll be able to see it as I put 5. So you could see say minimum amount here is actually showing 10. So that is how, if I could put the 10, and you see that you see, then I will just tap on this withdraw. Then from there, the token will be transferred to my trust wallet. Then from there, I can now trade it on PancakeSwap, and they have the trading section here too, where you'll be able to trade this particular token to any coin. You'll be able to convert it to any coin. You could see this particular section showing trade. So yeah, you can actually tap on it and trade this particular WDD into any, turn it into Ethereum, and from Ethereum you can convert it to your USDT. So this is how to copy the contract address. If this was really helpful, please kindly like, share, click on the bell notification so I get notified anytime I upload another new video. Thank you and bye bye for now.